Very narrow ranges in the stock indexes, 7.5 point range today on the E-mini S&P, 12 point range on the week. Pretty extreme as far as narrow ranges are concerned at these price levels, but you can count on crude oil to bring it on weekly inventories. SR Counter Trend 3 A version hit its profit target today. During the report, the B version has different parameters and different results, but it took the same trade today. It also hit its profit target. Cobra Crude, it lost today, but was up yesterday more than it lost today. That's the aggressive version of Cobra Crude. Just a good week overall for crude oil. SR Counter Trend 4 crude oil hit its profit target. So we were long today on crude oil. It's pegging the highs I called for 63 by the end of the year a few weeks ago. A couple of bucks away. Looks like we will get there potentially. Anything can happen. Would expect that to be the case the last couple of weeks of the year for crude oil to continue to rise. And so nice trades in crude oil. We had our webinar today. We were going to redo it yesterday because we had some technical difficulties, screen flashing. I figured it out, talked to the GoToWebinar people, and so we're going to talk about the stock index portfolio. We have some updates for 2020. This is the current 30 system portfolio. We have a 19 and 38 system portfolio, so you could trade it with a little bit less capital and a little bit more capital based on both versions. SR Counter Trend 2 long entry, long. Don't expect the market to go much anywhere, but it could just melt higher. And it's hard to envision a bearish scenario at this point. The bulls have massive control, but we'll see. Anything can happen. Gap continuation in Q is long. I just don't expect much, but I could be surprised. Stock index swing is short, so just it's hard to enjoy these narrow ranges as a trader. So crude oil was the opportunity of the day on December the 18th. So join us tomorrow for the webinar so you can figure out how to trade the stock index portfolio. There's 30 algorithms currently. There's going to be 38 in the new version. So you could trade the 19 version. There's 19 system version and a 38 system version. So I will show you both of those tomorrow. 19 system version, it trades 23 contracts because it trades 2 contracts on 4 other strategies. This trades 38 contracts. Trades 1 contract on each strategy, and this could be traded with 75K and as little as 50K to be aggressive on the minis, and this one can be traded with about 140K and maybe 100 to 125 aggressively. And there's the micro version, which can be traded with 10 to 15. Hard to write with this pen. 10 to 15. So join us on the webinar at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 10:30 Central, 8:30 Pacific. Register here. Join us tomorrow, and we will go over that portfolio setup.